protective card sleeve.
Oh,
what is that? Hold on, that's Iron Batman?
Yeah, it's a mix of our CEO's two favorite superheroes. It's Mr. Evike himself. Ryan, man. Which one did you want, sir? Iron Batman?
Yeah.
Alright. You want to pick one for yourself? Got it.
That's right up my alley, too.
Alright. You want an itemized receipt too, just in case? Yours will stick with it. You got some weight in there. Here's that. You guys are all set. If they do, they come with like a small little bag.